On August 26, a sudden terrifying wall of water, mud and rock tore through northern Nepal. Initially, the impact was so massive that instruments registered it as a magnitude 5.2 earthquake, but this wasn't a tectonic tremor, it was something else entirely. Geological data from the US Geological Survey and the satellite data confirmed that the disaster started high up in the mountains. An enormous section of glacier sheared completely free, dropping nearly 7,000 feet into the valley below. The massive ice and rock avalanche crashed directly into the Luhende Khola River, a crucial tributary of Bhutekoshi. In high mountain geography, flash floods rarely happen from just heavy rain. They are driven by cascading hazards. When that colossal wall of rock and ice hit the narrow riverbed, it created a temporary landslide dam, trapping millions of the gallons of water. Within moments, the immense water pressure breached the blockage. The sheer force of impact pulverized and melted the ice instantly, unleashing a monstrous high-speed debris flow downstream. Why was the flood wave so incredibly destructive? It comes down to gradient and geometry. Nepal's vertical landscape features some of the steepest elevation drops on the earth. The flood wave descended the first 22 kilometers at the astonishing average speed of 193 kilometers per hour. The narrow, deep gorges of the Himalayas acted like a structural funnel, compressing the water, mud, and massive boulders, shooting them downstream with terrifying velocity. As it traveled, the slurry scored the riverbanks, gathering waterlogged monsoon sediments and glowing heavier, turning into a dense battering ram that swept away bridges and concrete infrastructure. The 26th Nepal flash flood stands as a strict geographical warning. As our climate warms, these high-altitude transboundary water systems are changing rapidly, compressing massive natural forces into sudden catastrophic events downstream. Protecting these vulnerable valleys will require international cooperation, advanced early warning infrastructure, and a global commitment to addressing climate change.